In this video you will learn how to set up your simple PHP environment from scratch. Your PHP environment as a minimum composed of the following. Web server, responsible about receiving your domain and your request and direct it to PHP codes under the requested domain project. Scripting language, PHP, is responsible for executing your PHP codes. Database server, MySQL, is responsible for managing your databases and data. PHP can communicate with MySQL to do all required operations. MariaDB is another commonly used open-source database server which is highly compatible with most MySQL features. XAMPP setup is straightforward. You will download, then install with zero configuration. Once you finish you can start the servers, test, and do simple customization. Open your browser. Browse to apachefriends.org website. Click to download latest Windows version. Save in your desired location. Run the downloaded application as an administrator. Accept any security prompt. You may get some warning to avoid installation inside protected folders. Click Next to select installation packages. Make sure to keep Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHPMyAdmin are selected. Click Next to select installation location. You can change the default location but we advise to keep it as default. Click Next for final options. Deselect unneeded options. Click Next to start the installation process. Select the option to start the control panel, then click Finish. Select your preferred language, then click Save. The XAMPP control panel will start. Start Apache and MySQL servers. If a server is started successfully, it will be highlighted green and listening ports will be shown. Click Apache Admin to start Apache default page and check if Apache is working properly. Click MySQL Admin to start PHPMyAdmin and check that MySQL server is working. Close everything. Now we need to find XAMPP control panel and make a shortcut to it. Open File Explorer. Navigate to XAMPP installation folder. Right-click on XAMPP-control.exe, then select Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut. Check the shortcut is created. Click to open XAMPP control panel. Note that opening the control panel is not starting any server in inertial configuration. To change this behavior, click Config. Select servers you want to start automatically with the control panel start. Click Save to store your configuration. To configure a domain, do the following two simple steps. First, select a domain. Second, configure your host's file to point your domain to your local IP, 127.0.0.1. Open your WordPad application as an administrator. Click File, then open to Browse to Hosts file. It is under Windows directory, System32, drivers, etc. Select Show All Documents. Open Hosts file. Add new line containing your local IP 127.0.0.1 and your selected domain. Save and close the file. Congratulations! Your custom local domain is ready. You can test your domain via pinging it from your command line. Now we will configure our first host or a website. First, we will create our project public folder. Then we will greet our first test page with a welcome message as a demo for our website. Then we will configure Apache to mount between our domain and our project public folder so visitor can see our pages. Finally, we will restart our web server and test our configuration. Right-click on Start button. Open File Explorer. Access your C drive to create folder for your projects. Right-click. Then New. Then Folder. Name it vhosts. Make another folder for your project. Give it a name. For example, myapplication.local. Open your project folder. Make a folder for public access. Name it, public_HTML. Open it. Make a new file and write a welcome message inside it. Close and save the file. Rename it index.php. Open Start menu and search for WordPad. Click File, then open and browse to XAMPP folder. Open Apache, then CONF, then Extra. Change file type to All Documents. Select, then open the file httpd_vhosts.conf. By default, all lines are started with hash, which means they are just comments. Select all and remove. Write new configuration as shown. You can access a sample from resources in video description. Now save and exit. Open XAMPP control panel and restart Apache. This is to reload our new configuration. Open your internet browser. Navigate to http://myapplication.local. If you see your welcome message, then you're set up XAMPP and your first web project successfully. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave your questions and comments to be answered.